Fundamentals of Coding with Spike Essential teaches coding and STEM concepts to elementary school students using the LEGO Spike Essential Kit. The curriculum will cover topics such as basic coding, creating algorithms, conditional statements, and loops. Students assemble robot designs with the Spike Essential Kit based on real-world robots, which helps to foster creativity, problem-solving skills, and an understanding of how coding and robotics are used in the real world. Fundamentals of Coding with Spike Essential is designed to develop a foundation in coding that will prepare students for more advanced programming concepts in the future. Learn more at www.cmu.edu/roboticsacademy.